Welcome to this video on the ethics of science and research. Scientific research is essential for understanding the world, and ethical conduct is what ensures scientific integrity and protects the well-being of all participants. We will explore key ethical principles in this video. Why is ethical conduct so important? It builds trust and credibility in research results, fosters public trust in science, ensures researcher accountability, and is critical for preventing harm to participants. Continuing on the importance of ethical conduct, these principles are not just guidelines, but the foundation for reliable, reproducible, and safe scientific inquiry. Three core principles of ethical research are respect, beneficence, and justice. Respect involves dignity and autonomy, beneficence focuses on maximizing benefits while minimizing risks, and justice ensures fair distribution of research outcomes. These principles, respect, beneficence, and justice, serve as the essential framework for protecting human research participants and maintaining the integrity of the research. Informed consent is a fundamental principle where participants must understand the study's risks and benefits. Furthermore, researchers must implement robust safeguards to ensure confidentiality, data security, and active risk mitigation. To summarize, informed consent requires transparency about the study, potential risks, and privacy, while participant protection relies on monitoring and secure data management. When research involves animals, ethical considerations include minimizing harm, applying the principles of replacement, reduction, and refinement, and ensuring high standards of care and welfare for the animals. By focusing on alternatives, reducing animal use, and providing appropriate housing and care, researchers can uphold their ethical obligations in animal-based studies. Responsible data management is another pillar of ethical research. This includes ensuring data accuracy, maintaining strong security to protect privacy, sharing data for verification, and upholding the overall integrity of the information collected. Maintaining data integrity, accuracy, and security is vital for the credibility of scientific findings and allows for meaningful collaboration and replication in the scientific community. Managing conflicts of interest is necessary to maintain objectivity. Personal or financial interests must be disclosed to prevent bias, ensuring that research remains impartial and transparent. By maintaining transparency and proactively addressing potential conflicts, researchers uphold their professional judgment and protect the objectivity of scientific research. In conclusion, fostering a culture of ethical science requires ongoing education, effective oversight through boards like IRBs, open collaboration among researchers, and the development of strong policies and regulations. Let's look at a practical case study. A pharmaceutical company is testing a new pain relief drug on 100 participants. The goal is to prove it is safer and more effective than current treatments. The first ethical issue in this study is informed consent. While participants were told the purpose of the study, the consent forms contained overly technical jargon, making it difficult for them to truly understand the risks. Secondly, the study faces a privacy crisis. Personal health data was collected, but the electronic storage used for this information lacked encryption, leaving sensitive participant data vulnerable to unauthorized access. Beyond consent and privacy, there are serious concerns about research integrity. Reports suggest that the lead researcher altered data to make the drug appear more successful than it actually was to secure regulatory approval. Finally, the study was conducted without prior approval from an institutional review board. Without this independent ethical oversight, the study failed to ensure essential standards for participant safety and ethical design.